Welcome to our review of the Chewtoyo 4-pack solar lights outdoor motion sensor. These lights feature 92 bright LEDs each, providing expansive illumination covering up to 645 square feet or 60 square meters. With a 270-degree wide angle, they ensure comprehensive visibility for your garden, yard, or garage. The intelligent motion sensor triggers instantly when movement is detected, enhancing energy efficiency by providing light only when needed and prolonging battery life. Installation is flexible with a no-drill setup. The base has strong adhesive discs for surfaces like fences or walls, and screws are also included. These lights operate on solar power, but also have a USB port for charging during cloudy weather. The integrated 1500 mAh battery ensures consistent lighting all night. With an IP65 waterproof rating, they withstand rain and snow, and the wireless design means no complex wiring. Each light measures 7.9 by 5.9 by 3.9 inches, fitting most areas. Overall, the Chewtoyo solar lights are a reliable, energy-efficient solution for outdoor security and ambience. They are easy to install, durable, and provide bright motion-activated light. Whether for your home or business, these lights offer great value. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more solar product reviews. Links to purchase are in the description below.